Hey everyone, welcome back to Shoot Happens. I'm glad that you are here. Seriously, thank you for tuning in. Now, this is the series where, I break down essential photography topics quickly and efficiently in plain English. Now, my goal here is to help you understand, your camera better, one short video at a time, because let's face it, photography, it shouldn't feel like you're reading a tech manual in a foreign language. Plus, by breaking concepts into bite-sized chunks, you're going to develop deeper skills faster. So the goal here isn't to be a one and be done sort of thing. Instead, what we're doing here is helping you build a toolkit week after week so you can take better photos. Now, if you find these quick tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Of course, it really does help the channel, so we really do appreciate that. And actually, speaking of, be sure to drop a comment down below telling me what topics you want to explore in the future. All right, let's dive in. Today, we're going to be tackling two little buttons that can make a big difference in your photography: AE lock and AF lock. Let's start with AE lock. This stands for auto exposure lock. In simple terms, AE lock tells your camera, hey, don't mess with the exposure settings, keep them right where they are. It freezes your exposure, meaning your aperture, your shutter speed, and your ISO stay locked in right where it's at, even if you move the camera or recompose your shot. So when would you use it? Picture this: you're photographing a person standing in front of a bright window. Now, if you point your camera at their face, the camera meters for the right exposure, their face looks great. But if you recompose to include more of that bright window, the camera might try to fix the lighting, and suddenly your subject now turns into a silhouette, which is not exactly what you want. That's where AE lock saves the day. You meter off your subject's face, press the AE lock, and boom, the exposure stays consistent while you reframe the shot or do whatever you want. The background can, as I mentioned, do whatever it wants because your subject will stay properly exposed. So why does this help? Well, simple. It gives you control over the exposure instead of letting the camera brain take over and do its thing. It's a great tool for tricky lighting situations or scenes with big contrast like sunsets, concerts, or backlit portraits. Now, let's talk about AF lock. That's autofocus lock. While AE lock controls the light, AF lock, it controls the sharpness. It freezes your focus point so your camera doesn't refocus when you move or recompose your shot. Let's say you're taking a portrait with your subject and it isn't right in the middle of the frame. You put your camera at their eyes, half press the shutter to focus, and then recompose so they're one side of the composition. Now, if you didn't lock your focus, your camera might decide to refocus on the background instead. With autofocus lock, you can keep that perfect focus on your subject, recomposing as much as you want and still get tack sharp results. So why does this help, or when does this help? Well, it gives you precision and consistency, no random focus shifts. It really is also handy when you're shooting through obstacles. Think fences, tree branches, or even a crowd of people. So where the camera might otherwise try to focus on the wrong thing. And here is a pro tip. Many photographers assign the AF lock to a button on the back of the camera. This, it's called back button focus. It separates focus from the shutter button, giving you total control. So once you try it out, you're likely not going to go back. All right, let's sum things up. AE lock locks your exposure. AF lock locks your focus. Together, they give you much more creative control and help you stop fighting your camera so you can actually focus on, focusing on the shot. And that, friends, is going to be it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and check out my other Shoot Happen videos where I break down more photography essentials just like this one. And if you've got questions about AE lock, AF lock, or anything else camera related, drop them down in the comments below. I would love to help you out. Well, anyways, friends, that's going to be it here for me here. I'm going to be shutting off my cameras. Thanks again for watching Shoot Happens. Now get out there, lock it in, and keep on shooting.